This is the Genesis G90. The G90's steering wheel provides driver assistance features and audio system controls right at your fingertips. On the right side of the steering wheel is the volume switch. The volume switch is a toggle button which increases and decreases the audio volume. The Seek preset button is an optical mouse switch where it reads either a swipe or a swipe and hold command. By swiping and holding in the radio mode, this button auto-seek radio stations that are within the range of reception. The system will keep seeking until the button is released. By swiping on the button in radio mode, you can switch between the preset radio stations. By swiping and holding in media mode, this button will function as fast-forwarding and reversing the audio track. By swiping in the media mode, it will function as track up or down. The purpose of the mode button is to change between the radio and media modes. To mute the sound, press in the volume button. Pressing the volume button in again will unmute the audio. The voice recognition button can be used for spoken preset commands without having to take your hands off the steering wheel. The call button also serves as call end, picking up or hanging up a phone call. If no Bluetooth devices are connected, the call button will provide a prompt to add a new Bluetooth device connection. The G90's gauge cluster display can be switched between digital and analog modes by pressing this button to change view modes. Pressing this button will turn off or on pop-up widget navigation mode. Pressing 3 times in rapid succession will reset the trip computer when the trip computer is selected, while pressing and holding it will allow the display or hiding of pop-up widgets. On the left side of the steering wheel is the driving assist button. Pressing this will activate or deactivate smart cruise control at the current speed. After activation, pressing the vehicle distance button will then cycle through 4 different preset distances that your G90 will maintain to the vehicle in front. To control smart cruise control, press this switch up or down immediately to alter speed by 1 mile per hour. Pressing and holding the switch either up or down alters speed in 5 mile per hour increments instead. Pressing the switch can also temporarily cancel smart cruise control. If you push the switch again, smart cruise control will resume at the preset speed. By quickly pressing the lane driving assist button, you can turn off or on the lane following assist function. By pressing and holding the lane driving assist button, you can turn off or on the lane keeping assist function. Lane keeping assist warns the driver should the vehicle begin to depart from its lane. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.